A little bit of insight on what exactly you mean when you use the phrase flexible outsourced manufacturing.
Yeah, so put in a different term, flexible outsource manufacturing is in some cases contract manufacturing, but in not all cases. So we use the term flexible outsource manufacturing because we provide OEMs either a permanent or temporary manufacturing or assembly solution to facilitate an uptick in their production schedule. In effect, we become an extension of that company's manufacturing process, and that could be either in the short term or some cases it's a permanent situation.
It sounds like there are a lot of different types of services that RG Group offers for flexible outsource manufacturing.
You're correct. It's a pretty diverse variety of products and services that we offer to our customers in this category. Some examples might include either turnkey, long-term contract manufacturing, which would be for a complete product or assembly of the customer's final end product, or in some cases we're supplying on a just-in-time basis a sub-assembly, which of course is a smaller slice of the entire product or system.
Okay. Now, if you put yourself in the customer's shoes, what would you recognize as the value from using this type of business model?
That's a great question. I think the value that our customer would see in our flexible outsource manufacturing is very dependent on their specific needs, but I'll try and give you a few examples. One of the things that we see from customers is when they have a spike in demand for production, they may consider it temporary or seasonal, and they may have no real desire or interest in adding additional manpower or capital equipment to meet that demand. So here's where we can step in, supply that demand on a short term to increase their production capabilities, which allows our customers to meet that on demand and not invest in that permanent long-time resource in either manpower or machinery. In addition, the other key area that we help our customers with is providing sub-assembly work, which lowers their final assembly cost and keeps their team focused on their core competency. So they get the best of both worlds.
Exactly why would a customer need to or want to outsource an element or all of their process?
Well, what we see in many cases is it is dependent on the customer's situation. But in some cases, the customer doesn't really have the internal skill sets or the experience to build a system and would rather outsource it to a technical supplier that not only has the engineering expertise, but also has the manufacturing and assembly expertise to make the final product for the customer. That's an area that I believe the RG Group really excels in. And last but certainly not least, there's a significant value to our customer from a perspective of potential cost reduction. Since we represent the best of global manufacturers, we're able to pass that pricing on to our end customers, which results not only in a great product, but also provides the customer with a very, very competitive pricing situation.